Før udsendelsen talte jeg med forfatteren og branding-eksperten Jim Carroll fra Canada. Han rådgiver store firmaer som for eksempel Disney, Nestlé og Motorola. Og jeg spurgte ham, hvordan et land som Danmark i fremtiden skal bære sig ad med at leve af idéer og innovation, når det nu alligevel bliver kopieret.
Well, I think the key thing is recognizing how quickly the world is changing. You know, look, products come to the market today and they go out of date almost overnight. The rate of innovation and change with technology, with science, the rate at which products come to the market, it's happening overnight. And it's by catching that wave, it's by thinking it fast, it's by being a fast economy, and by realizing it's ideas that fuel, where we discover opportunity in the future. It's getting into the right frame of mind. That's how you cope with it.
What should a small Danish company do then when they realize that their product has been widespread copied?
Well, I think there's several things. You know, look, I mean, we are in a low-cost economy. If you bring out a product, it's going to be very easy for another company in another part of the world to bring it out at a lower cost. That's why brand image is so critically important. Look, people are willing to pay extra if they know they are dealing with a brand image, with a company that they can trust. They know there's reliability, they know there's quality of service. It's by continuing to focus not on cost, but by doing something, to rise yourself up above the competition. It's by focusing on the quality of your brand.
Do you have an example of a company who has done that with success?
Well, if you take Bang & Olufsen, the speaker company, I mean, there's no doubt, there's going to be a lot of low-cost competition. There's going to be a lot of speakers that I might be able to buy from a Chinese company. A company offshore could take the latest breaking things that, Bang & Olufsen has come out with and copy them and make them available at a lower price. What they've got to do is they've got to focus on the quality, on the brand,